Good.
You got the pussiest delivery ever. I really hate that shit. One round, take his face off. Debate that shit. On this card, it's no limit. Put the tank on that. This ATM getting drugged. You could bank on that. This matchup a joke. I did it to come and claim my other house. Big guy that's gonna buy you. Now I'm here. Try and keep it in the family. Like my mother house. You on the wrong side of the gun. You on the wrong side of the gun. It's too late to tell me what it feels like. Bah. First time they ever seen a spirit, leave a body in real life. I wreck heavy with them things. Back-to-back titles, Magic and Kareem. The ball in my court when I shoot his tragic with the beam. Man, please, pussy hoe, you ain't gonna get off nothing. Pull up the ATM, what I deposit, take him out and try and withdraw something. Look at you. Look at you, Anthony. Frown. A walking nut stain. When I see food and be love, I'm getting paid to snack shit on cake. Mukbang, my nigga shooting 4K. Trey is all slime. I'm 2 seasons. Summer go past too quick. It's fall time. You was there from the beginning. You was there from the beginning, Anthony. This how your ending go. You coming to feed us life. Only mean you been pussy since an embryo. It's a red. It's a red phase. Don't sleep, and then it's time to go. A twist of fate got me playing with his emotions like mind control. You ain't my hood.
Word.
You ain't my hood. I'm trying to drag a bitch to Old Town. Body him in the South. Pussy throwing up foes now. Stand over him. I get anxious when it's tough too. He died with his eyes wide. And I'm somebody he look up to. Word is I lost the vid. Oh yeah, fuck what this trans heard. Energy can never be destroyed. Only transferred. You could have been a Dr. King. There's no hope when I kill him. He dying by what I sling, like colloquialisms. Arsonist with sticks, 2 flames, I'm 2 fire. You done fucked around and fell in some shit like 2 priors. 3rd strike with the heat. You finna get subpoenaed. Then everybody getting charged for thinking this misdemeanor. I know I'm a legend. I know I'm a legend. You do too. Bitch, yeah. I know I'm a legend. You do too. Bitches ain't gotta acknowledge me. You get the Gucci treatment just for thinking you the prodigy. Is it more than like Is it more life after death? Well, it gotta be something extraterrestrial. Shook his belief system. Do you believe in Scientology? You look fragile, sweet, like you twist and whistle when you walk. Guns, where? It ain't in you when you talk. You throwing fists. We with the shit. When we pull up in that white Regal, hop out, steal everything like white people.
Fuck St. George.
Gun cut you. Them cut you. These nightmares will never go away. I got this from my slime. Hot rod. Throw away. You weak. Predictable. I came here knowing what this hoe is saying. It's funny how good ratings put you under the wing, but still couldn't give a protege. You in the BDSM? You in the BDSM? Because I'm patient. Submission. He an advocate. Discipline. Dominance. I come, parent shit, and you gonna enjoy this pain like a masochist. This for all you. This for all you daddy's niggas. This for all you daddy's niggas. And his constituents. Every punch I throw at homeland like it's indigenous plant. I said plant.
I got fucked up, bro.
Every punch I throw at homeland like they indigenous plant. Damn, I ain't even see the strap when it hit him. Just keep blacking for the Broncos. Pan-Africanism. I keep a whole lot of rounds.
Pull a fucking shit.
I keep a whole lot of rounds. You dead, I'm trying to kill more. I keep a whole lot of rounds. You dead, I'm trying to kill more. You ain't do the med. Once it hit your chest, your body slumped on the edge. I'm graduating from the class. And tonight, I get acknowledged for it. Just a murder first degree and I ain't have to go to college for it. Who in their right fucking mind is letting you fuck?
A lot of it.
Let alone pimp shit. I'll slap your bitch ass. Then slap your bitch ass.
Why?
She was never yours to begin with. Take my strap, and impale him. Take my strap and impale him until they have to force it out. Get left with a long face. They heard it from the horse's mouth. This piece, that's like, this piece is really a she. Meet clinical ovulation. I'll make you eat the click out. Then return you to general population. Let you mingle with the life of.
She rapping right now. Keep going.
I'll make you eat the click out, then return you to general population. Let you mingle with the lifeless. This day I'm finna make yours. You're such a fucking asshole. It's only right I let him take yours. I'm from BR.
Oh my.
I'm from BR. Where it's dumb violent. We wake up, breathe, sleep, gun violence, anger, squeeze, bang, break, leap. Dumb sirens, target drop. I'm only here to get one side of the court. Just everywhere is something beautiful too. It's traumatized in the youth, but the meter drum sound like classical music. I'll be young hero. So fucking bad, 2013. I'm just playing. I'm playing with young hero. I'll be young hero 2013. So fucking bad thing is over. So now when he show up, he never show up. 2016, lost weight, glowed up, only to put the pound on ATM. He sacrificed his soul and then he glowed up. I'm really out the slum. Fuck a battle of the night. And every day I wake up, I got a battle for my life. Fan. Stop playing. I ain't got it. You a fan. You a fan. Stop playing. I ain't got this shit for me. Go ahead and rap your heart out. Stupid little bitch.
You know what's the difference between what you getting now and that rich nigga, light-skinned dick? When I stick it in, no matter how much is in there, you ain't gonna want me to pull it out. They call me ATM. So she gonna give me the same face she get at Monitor when she got the full account. I heard the sex good. Word of mouth. But I'm gonna ask you word of mouth. Pistol on me. And like my favorite shirt, I'm gonna wear it out and I put it work. Big time. With the laser on her side, because the ladies love the girth. She bang, but I'm giving that side bitch the extension so I know she hurt at least. I want to hear shit. At least somewhat. Gunplay. Bald head knocking his hoe out like one punch. Then I'm taking a deposit. Safe to say, the dick gonna put her to sleep. Then I'm going in her purse. I'm too reckless. You fine, but I ain't too precious. I'm gonna let my niggas trade up. The whole clique inbox like a Facebook group message. Now I got my boot checking. Not her whole crew pressing and she don't even fight for them. That's a quick pull-up jumper like the shot clock got 2 seconds. I bless whoever I'm facing.
Dance.
And y'all say she do good work? Cool. Cause I'll pass Taylor around like a recommendation, violent and impatient. When this guy black is a bang like the theory of creation, but my shot's not phasing. You bulletproof pussy bitch. We both from the group. No telling how many rounds you done taken, young guy the pimp. I know you heard of me, so don't get to tripping. Cause this left hand good for cutting out. Yeah, that hoe performed corrective surgery, so come flirt with me. Whisper in the air like, my pull-out game is horrible. My pull-out game is horrible. I want all of my kids in Taylor like a high-class nursery, and I imagine...
Oh my God!
I imagine... You're gonna say my dick little today. Cool, because it's gonna fit in that gap perfectly. Getting to something.
Oh my God!
Savage. Body laying on the bed, head hanging off the mattress, sticking in her mouth. have her struggling and gagging. She used to really eat the dick, but now she can't even cover half it. Then I realized, this the main reason we liked you better is a fat bitch. We liked you better. We liked you better as a fat bitch. That pussy was probably 10 times better. We just could never admit we smashed it. It's tragic. This hoe was so fat, each ass cheek grew up with a different accent, but at least she was
God.
And a skinny nigga like me needs something he could rap in, but you'd rather have this. Even though we liked you better as a fat bitch, you want to change the story. Too bad that weight loss ain't make you built right. You got them low quality jeans like Faded Glory. I ain't trying to start nothing. But I'm known for a clutch pull up like Robert Ory, and you a bougie hoe. So as soon as the date was set, I knew to bring a 40 pimp talk. I'm the true guy, but a cool deeper than you guy, ready to get into something cosmetic. I put a K on Taylor's chest like a cheap boob job, but let the Mac beat her face so we can recognize who you are. I'ma fuck her over. And if y'all didn't catch the last couple of lines, she getting bars, then a shot, then a dick, cause we ain't fucking sober. Glocktober. Put it in the chest. Put it in the chest. Have her titties leaking, but it's a blessing. Ask me why. Young God, make sure her cup runneth over, close range. Like need a motorboat her, put it to a temple. She independent bitch, so I knock her head off and let her cry on her own shoulder. You not gangsta. You ain't gangsta. Bitch, stop with the line. But like a hotel, I'm stocked with the iron. And like old Trump, I'm constantly fine. Smoke out until Bay hide it in her chest before 12 come. Like we ain't trying to get caught with the pine. Who got this bitch anointed? Cause I'm the type to send text for Taylor like I'm setting appointments. We both battle rappers, but the reach different. Cause when my arms stretch, her arms stretch. I'm double jointed. I'm tired of being me. Let's show the bars different. I open my mouth. You open yours. It's gonna be way more than a little gap in between. If y'all didn't catch it, this whole round has a theme. I can explain it in simple logistics. Don't it make sense that a tailor get fired for not having it as sewed up as it seems you? It was a motherfucking shame.
They late. They sleep.
You thought I'd lose to one of you bitches. A joke. But just like a tailor, to leave me in stitches. Ho, you look like... Ho, you look like you still giving out pussy for Christmas. Bitch, you need to stop and do something different. Giving out that subpar vegan box. That pussy probably tastes like the mixed vegetables they give out in prison, but that's you what you niggas like. Not me. We can fuck, but ain't no relations. I got a bae, a girlfriend, a mistress, and a wife. And before this battle over, only got one question for you, sweetheart. Which one of them you gonna help me cheat on tonight? It's your God to pill. I don't put hoes on the strip or use a smooth talker, a swift hand to break down the bitches, the respect that I get. Energy, effort, it's the time that's spent. My time is money, so they gonna reimburse every cent. And if that don't make sense, wasn't paying attention, Brown.
Give it up.